Welcome back to Milky and Sis. And today we're making Sakinalu. So let's get started. First we have 8 cups of rice that we soaked overnight. Now we're going to drain all the water out of this. So we drained all of the water out and there's still going to be some water left. So we're going to take a towel. Now just spread the rice. That should be enough. So now let's cover it like this. We're gonna leave it till all the moisture gets absorbed. So we're just gonna leave it like this. So the rice is dry. It's kind of semi-dried because if it's totally dry, then there's no point of like putting it in water and soaking it. So it's kind of like this right now. So now we're going to blend it. So I'm gonna pour it in. We're both gonna pour it in. Now we're going to blend. Sift the grinded rice. Okay, so we grinded all the rice and sifted it and we put it in this bowl. So now we're going to move on to our next step. First, we're going to add 1.5 cup of sesame seeds. We're going to add 1/3 cup of ajwain or rum.
And now we're going to be adding 1/4 cup of cumin seeds. Right on the top.
Now add salt. Now we're gonna mix everything. So we're gonna make sure that the rice flour, the salt, and all of the stuff we just added right now is mixed perfectly. And I finally got it mixed this time. So we mixed very well. As you can see, everything's combined very well. So now we're going to be splitting all of this flour into 2 bowls because I'm making a salty type of dough and she's making a spicy dough. So we're going to put 5 cups of this flour into that bowl. And if we think it's not enough, then we'll add a cup or so.
Chili powder. Now I'm gonna mix. Now I'm done mixing.
We make these every year for sankranthi and it's so much fun making them. So now we're gonna add the water and make this whole thing into dough. So we have our water here and we're gonna pour it. This feels good making dough and it becomes more softer as you add water. I like that feeling. And this is pretty easy to make. I think this is like the easiest to make out of all like the treats because this is mixing dough and making shapes.
And frying.
And frying is like parents. But this is kind of like something like we can do, so it's fun.
I'm done!
So am I.
Oh no, it's falling.
It's done now, so we have to cover it with the lid for
30 minutes.
So my sister's gonna use a plate and I have to use a bowl because this is a big bowl. So 2 bowls. I'm gonna just put it like this, and I'm gonna wait 30 minutes, and she's gonna go grab a plate.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna wait 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, it was done. So we laid out a blanket, and it's a cotton blanket, by the way, and we took a plate, and we took some, because like we had a big bowl and we can't take it out from that, so we took a plate, or you could take a bowl and you can make it. And here we have some water, so if the dough gets dry, then we can add some water to make it more smooth and easier to work with. So let's get started. And it might take us a few tries to make it perfect. So here we made one, my mom made one to kind of like, it's kind of like a way to show respect to the God before we make this. So that's why my mom made this first, and then we're gonna start making the rest. All of these rings. So first you're gonna start off by putting your hands like this, and then with your hand make a motion like this. So you're gonna make a motion like you're turning it around. So all your fingers go one direction like that. So what you have to do is you have to kind of make a little sprout come out like that, and then you could start twisting it like a circle. And you have to be quick too. Now, and now we can take them off like this. Just use your fingers, and we have to use this thin of a plate, and it's kind of like an aluminum sheet, so that it's easier to take these off the blanket. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do those. Now my mom's gonna fry it. Let's go. So now my mom's gonna fry it, and fry it on high heat so you'll get much more crispier crunch. So after you put it in, just go a little back so that if the oil kind of pops, it won't fall on you. Now flip it. Flip it again. Now they're done cooking, so go ahead and take them out. Ta-da! And now continue doing this to the rest of them.
The ones that I made are frying right now.
So they're all fried, and look at how good they look. Aren't they so yummy? So we're gonna be tasting these in the special Pongal video, so stay tuned for that. So I hope you guys like this video.
Make sure to subscribe,
like,
and comment down below if you tried these and they were delicious.
Don't they look amazing? So that's the end of the video. Bye-bye.
Bye.